Hello learners, welcome to the video. In the previous chapter, we have learnt about distance of maps that includes different kinds of scales and methods of presenting scales. But what actually direction is? Well, direction is the most essential point that you need to know in the rainforest when you are lost. Direction is the way you need to go to get through one location or object to another location or object. Learners, can you now tell me more about directions? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. Thus, direction is the way you need to go to get through one location or object to another location or object. People can go to different directions in order to reach the path. In this video, we are going to know about what directions are, different types of directions that will help us to reach to the desired locations, and compass. The four major cardinal directions are north, south, east and west, and each direction is located on different sites. Learners, do you know about locations of different cardinal points? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. On a map, the top is north, the bottom is south, the left is west and the right is east. You can say the exact distance between 2 points for sure using the scale of a map. Learners, can you now tell me from where do we get data about directions? Yes, you are correct if your answer is Earth's rotation. We primarily get data about directions from the Earth's rotation. As you all know, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Therefore, at right angles to the east-west side, the north and south directions are diagonally. Mostly every line on the planet that touches much of the northern part of the axis points northwards, and any line touching the southernmost portion of the axis points south in the same way. So, from four directions east, west, north, south, if we recognize one direction, then we can also find out others. Learners, do you know what sailors used in ancient times for directions? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. Travelers and sailors were able to find their routes without a compass in the sea, forests and deserts in earlier civilizations. Learners, do you know what compass is? No? Okay, don't worry, I'll tell you. A compass is a magnetometer that indicates direction compared to the geographic cardinal directions for direction and orientation or points. In ancient times, compass was used in order to help to locate different directions. It is easiest to find the north direction in the map and field since we recognize that longitudes are the semicircles that connect the poles of north and south. These are seen in maps as vertical lines, and in a map they point north. Therefore, the upper part of the map shows the north and the lower part shows the south. The right side is the east while the left side is west. The arrow is a standard directional symbol. Like there could normally be an arrow pointing the way if someone has to turn right at a stop sign to get to the roadway. Now it is the time to explore. Can you think what mistake can students do while learning about different directions? In this video, we have learnt the various directions that include east, west, north and south as cardinal points, compass and north directions. In the next video, we'll learn about symbols that are used in maps. I'll take your leave. Till then, bye. Stay happy.